What are you doing? That's another little potato. It'll do. Fucker me up, buttercup. Still filming, Crofty.
Yeah.
Come on, keep going. No about there.
Look at Jasmine.
Oh, perfect. Imagine paintballing with this shit. Alright, ready?
Shit.
Fire in the hole!
He has put some hurt on that ball, Jack.
Where'd it go? Ready or what?
Stand by. Clear. Hey!
Yeah! Yeah!
Hold it straight up.
Oh, there it is.
Where is it? I can't see it.
Fuck! It's coming in now.
Shit.
Over there.
That?
No, it hit over there.
Look, the lender's there.
Oh, look at that. It's like a penetrated dart.
Put it on foot.
You
Put it on foot and then just jam it out.
Does it go all the way to the bottom?
Yeah, just. I want to shoot it fucking that way. Can I?
No.
What is this?
Shoot it across. Right, we're out.
Are we out? Or two more. You up?
I'll have one. Oh,
Yeah.
Crofty, I'll film.
Oh, shit.
Actually,
I had to pause that whole time.
Whiskey down the barrel.
we're going straight up. Keep this on, Jazz.
Straight up, you reckon? Ready, yes? Fucking messy.
Fail.
It's fucking slippery. What are you doing, Fred?
Nah, fail's gonna shit. Where the? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, it's going right back down here. Right there. Oh, what? Where the fuck the rest?
Oh, shit.
Fail.
Puddle.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Mud!
So you can get it.
No, horse. Horse.
Oh, horse.
See? Horse.
Okay, okay.
Just mud.
Alright. Well, that's
Oh,
perfect.
fuck.
No. Maybe it's just too extreme.
They can't handle it.
Backfire.
Didn't go anywhere.
There we go.
Screw it.
Scope up launcher.
For all of being a parent